said it? Who whispered? Who thought they could wear my name like glitter? Sing louder, let the echo know where you stand. You sure you met me? Snap hill spotlight burning, I don't chase it, I return it. Mirror knows who runs the flame. Midnight comes, they chant my name. Eyes like warning, lips like trouble. Every step, burst that bubble. Gloss and venom wrapped in lace. Step too close, I'll steal your place. Who's that walking through like thunder? Silhouettes you can't outnumber. Gold on breath, fire and frame. Say it loud, now say my name. Who said my name? Say it, got you tripping on that fame. Blame it, I don't share, I elevate. Your crown behind the gate. Who said my name? Watch me rise, untouchable flame. You don't chase, you imitate. Guess you know now. Who said my name? Who said my name? Ay, 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 I didn't walk in, I arrived. Bass drop, breathing with the light. Rip so loud, they call me silent threat. Turn your top 5 in a side bet. Click, clack, rhythm in a strut line flow. Head high, never had a tiptoe. I don't speak, I declare. You just scream, I wear the stare. Shadow, a star, I'm both. Velvet blades behind the glow. You call for a name, we wait, I pray that it won't show. Say it again. Who said my name? Who said my name? You did. Who said my name? Now live with it. Who said my name? Bow to the flame. Who said my Who said my name? Like thunder, I came. I don't break, I reign. Bet your pride, I'll play the game. Boom, boom, step when I hit that bass. Gold fangs smile, you can't erase. Snap, spin, flip the frame. Say it loud, who said my name? Who said my name?
Spit ash, word jade. Drip blood, make flame. We don't forget names, we carve them in stone.
Bones of kings in my bloodline. Walk like thunder in wartime. Handbok drag with the gold trim. My past don't beg, it warns down. Eyes like a tale that's untold. One glance could melt your gold. You flex cash, I flex time. My roots run deep through the shrine. Smoke in my breath, I exhale mist. Carved in ink, but I bleed scripts. Legacy in my ringtone, this ain't drip, it's heirloom chrome. I burn sage, not bridges. Silk thread through my stitches. Don't pray for power, become the ghost that grants your wishes. Ginseng and gold teeth. Burn slow but cut deep. All blood, new crown. Watch me lay them all down. Ginseng and gold teeth. Make kings from back streets. We don't talk, we breathe. Legacy on beat.
Ginseng and gold.
Walk like a curse in Gucci shoes. My name got weight, yours leaves no bruise. Ancestor ink in my DNA. Speak my name, better kneel, not play. Drip that's carved from dynasty. I spit in script calligraphy. Smoke in my veins, blade in my grin. Gold on my fang, let the battle begin. Low bow from the gods when I rise. Slick tongue, sharp as ancestral cries. No cap, this ain't flex, it's proof. I'm the prophecy they feared in the booth.
Step on Ashley, footprints in flame. Every scar where knows my name. This is silk spun from war and fate. Watch me dance in the heat I create.
Ginseng and gold teeth. Burn slow but cut deep. Pass loud in my speech. Now the shadows preach. Ginseng and gold teeth. New crown, old grief. We rise, we lead. Legacy on beat. We the myth you didn't right, but still bite. We don't need your crown. We came to ignite. Ginseng in my breath, gold in my bite. We don't need your crown. We came to ignite.
Singing cold beat.
We move like codes and midnight wires. No spotlight, we set the fire. Pulse like drums beneath the steel. If silence breaks, you know it's real. Mirrors crack when we pass by, every glance a quiet high. We're not noise, we're the cause, we're the breath before applause. Don't confuse stillness without the loudest storm moves without sound. We don't run, we don't retreat, we rise steady, slow, complete. Too loud to lose. We echo through. No need to prove. We speak in truth. Too loud to lose. We don't obey. We move our way and light the fuse. Too low to lose. I don't shout, I rewrite the scene. Grace like smoke, sharp and clean. Glass heart with a bullet rhythm. Power's quiet till you're in it with them. We walk through walls, we break the mold. Not every crown is bought in gold. The world adjusts when we arrive. No noise, just soul alive. Too loud to lose. This breath, this beat. Stillness beneath. Can't shake the street. Too loud to lose. We own the sky with no need to try. We just refuse. Too loud to lose. If you felt that silent shift, that was us. Mirror check, crown in place. Didn't come to play just to own the space. Heels high, standards higher. This confidence, born not hired. I see you talking like you know me, please. I'm vintage gloss with designer ease. Heart of fire, wrapped in gold. Step too close and you'll feel cold. Snap that flash, I shine in frames. Your jealous eyes can't dim my flame. Pretty face, brain on fire. Diva warning, sirens higher. Diva warning, proceed with caution. I don't compete, I set the option. Silk and danger, sugar venom. If I said it, best believe it. I'm in. Diva warning, heels keep stomping. No apologies, no backtrack talking. This ain't shade, it's declaration. Glitter boots, world domination. You like the taste of being second place. Try to match but can't keep pace. Eyes roll, lips gloss, flipping your script. I'm the boss. Not your type to dim my light. Made of glam and savage bite. Snap, pose, exit with grace. Try to catch me
Red lights fade in the rearview mirror. You talk big but I see it clearer. Now you're a ghost in designer pain. Say my name but it won't stay. You lit the match then blame the flame. Now you text like it's still the same. But I moved out from that frame. Echoes hit and you know my name. I don't know you nothing. You don't get that version back. Now the quiet in your chest says more than your voice ever had. No apologies, just echoes. Your love so news in my headphones. I left slow, now I glow. Used to call me in the undertow. No regrets, just shadows. Heartbeats fade into falsettos. You miss me loud in the silence, but baby, I'm done with the violence. Thought I crashed, but I rewrote the scene. Turned the tears into gasoline. You lost me in your own design. Now you're chasing a closing line. Don't need to scream, I haunt you calm. Revenge in a whisper, I dropped the bomb. Love ain't war, but yours was fake. And I'm not the one who breaks. Even in silence, I sound like gold. You play too loud, now I'm too cold. No apologies, just echoes. The hurt you gave's on my tempo. Every beat that you replay tells you what I didn't say. No regrets, just shadows. I'm the truth behind your bravado. You lost the voice you once controlled. Now all you hear is what you let go. Echoes don't say sorry. They just remind you what's gone. Yeah. 999 missed calls, but I'm the one that's still dialing. Obsession looks better in my silhouette. Flashlights in my shadow. It followed just to catch the echo. Every move headline news, but I'm too smooth to lose. I got fans, stands, exes in the DMs. They hate, they love. I don't see them. Snap backstage lights, hobby pace. I leave them right with just my face. I know I'm the favorite fight. You love to lose each night. You scream, I don't reply, but still I live in your mind. 99 problems, all of them obsessed. You say my name but can't forget. Too loud in your head, I'm rent free there. You burn my pics but still you stare. I'm the itch you can't scratch, the fame you can't snatch. No apologies, your flash. 99 problems, all of them obsessed. You remix my words, try to twist what I meant, but I speak in verses you can't reinvent. Talk like you're over me, but your playlist got receipts. I'm the chorus in your rage, I'm the ghost you couldn't keep. 99 problems, all of them obsessed. You want peace, but I'm your test. From hate to love, it's all a mess. You chase the storm, but I'm what's left. You wanted war, you got finesse. Can't ignore what I possess. One truth, one flex. 99 problems, all of them obsessed. You hate me, but not really. You left, but never fully. Obsessions got your name right next to mine.
Mic check. You hear me now? Too late, I'm already inside. Quiet steps still shake the room. Lip gloss sharp like a sonic boom. No echo, I am the sound. You just follow, I shut it down. Eyes like glass, touch like flame. You want the truth, I change the game. I walk slow, but my name spreads fast. Rewrite your code, girl, I'm the crack. You blink and I'm gone, but my shadow still plays on. They call Mic check, I don't need loud. Got the whole world tuned to my sound. Talk sweet, walk sharp, reality bends when I hit the mark. Mic check, flawless error, mirror crack. I look better, hologram hard. Real heat, even silence bows to my beat. Don't need noise, I got control. Silk and venom in every scroll. They flex loud, I flex still. Queen of chill with a quiet kill. I'm the glitch in your gold, the line they never told. Say my name, it flickers. One breath and it lingers. Mic check, I don't need loud. Got the whole world tuned to my sound. Talk sweet, wash out. Reality bends when I hit the mark. Mic check, slow burn queen. Crack the code, still look pristine. Glitch in the dream, name it lies. I disappear, but I bite red tape.
Pop, pop goes the pretty girl spell. Take gloss on, game on. Welcome to my carousel. Walking looking like a candy store robbery. Eyes wide but I got that mockery. Lace and leather, mix it like magic. Sweet on the surface but baby I'm tragic. Every blink's a bullet, every smile's a sin. Lip gloss loaded, don't let me begin. Chewing on hearts like bubblegum. Fate blew a kiss too late, detonate. Pink on my lips, venom in my tone. Cute, yeah sure, till I take the throne. They play nice, I play smart. I coat my love with candy and darts. Lip gloss, weaponry, sugar slick artillery. One blink, one blow, and now you're history. Kisses like fire, dripping in spice. Barbie went rogue, now roll the dice. Lip gloss, weaponry, baby I bite playfully. Sweet on the track, but you will remember me. Cotton candy trap, sparkle gone mad. Tell 'em I'm cute, but tell 'em I'm bad. Click clack and heels, no sound on my kill. Talk sweet, move slick, taste sugar then chill. Cherry coated chaos, glitter in the flame. Say my name, baby, I play the game. Mirror cracked and I smile back. Princess glitching in the candy trap. Soft voice, hard truth. Don't trust the gloss, I'm your youth. Lip gloss, weaponry, sugar slick artillery. Talk like a dream, sting like a felony. Blow you a kiss, no regrets. Cyber siren, candy thread wraps. Lip gloss, weaponry, bubble pop legacy. Name in lights with a warning melody. Y2K angel with a digital crown. Glossed up, glitched out, shut it down, thought it down.
Yeah, yeah, we don't blend and we black out rooms. Stepping like headlines, boom, boom, boom. Heartbeat, that's just applause, we here. Born to take, we volunteer. Born to take, we volunteer. A-list veins, I'm allergic to low-key. Drip fed, drama born, extra no IV. Whippers in gold, got them talking in tongues. I breathe and flex, exhale stuns. They try to match, but we glitch the charts. We light up stage like stolen hearts. Say it loud, yeah, say it again. We're the reason cameras sin. Blood type extra, what's your excuse? Living on loose, so we'll let them lose. Crash the scene in the thunder parade. Too hot to follow, too bold to fade. Blood type extra, no chill, no breaks. Make them stand till the silence breaks. Snap, flash, we already knew. Born to cause scenes, not like you, okay? Velvet rage and designer pain. We don't walk and we entertain. Trophy glint to my side, I smile. They created chaos, we give us south hell. Can you feel that fever climb? We're the moment out of time. Too much or just enough to break ya. We don't do calm, we do error. Blood type extra, kiss the crown. Spinning headlines upside down. Drama's cheap, but we charge. Out of life and living large. Blood type extra, fact not threat. Every encore an ego flex. Say your names with respect and not. We are the scene you just saw. No chill, no breaks, no refunds. You're a welcome maker. Yeah.
You want a piece of this power? Hope you got the credit. This isn't glitter, it's gold under pressure. And honey, we charge interest. Step in the room, spotlight crashes. Eyes on me like market flashes. No discounts, no free passes. I'm not drama, I'm the whole access. Lights go low and the air gets tense.
We built the floor.
Silk gloves, sharp like swords. Haters talk, we press record. Cashmere with a backbeat roar. Gold on my tongue and I always want more. I'm the price tag they can't scan. Signature move, never play bland. Too loud, nah, it's just a brand. Royal ever rush, you can't withstand.
We burn in shade, no map can chart. Royalties coded in every heart. Don't need a scream, our silence hits, and you still flinch when the ground fits. This energy's expensive. Don't touch if you can't afford the flame. We walk in, whole world goes pensive. Power too high for your name. Sparks in our step, thunder in heels. Came for a crown and close all the deals. This energy's light, it cuts like couture. Can't knock us down. We built the floor.
Switched on, all eyes wide. We're the storm they tried to hide. Battery full, charges high. Final boss girls and we never die. When we never die.
Yeah, catch me silence in the boardroom. Move like thunder, speak like perfume. Go pen one stroke, you're doomed. Signed it all while sipping maroon. Eyes colder than my wristwatch. Tick, tick. Time slows down when I lift off. Every room I don't walk, I arrive. Like a storm dressed in tailored ties. Midnight suits and uncut stones. Talking tones that break backbones. Champagne lips with diamond lies. Built a kingdom on goodbye.
I see the throne but not the scars. Silver lies under shooting stars.
You think I blink, I never flinch. My world expands with every inch.
I was born with a crown in my crib. Every move I make is executive. Luxury breeze when I exhale. You're in deep, no paper trail. Platinum spine, diamond pride. Chabo syndrome, I don't hide. We don't chase, we acquire. Silk and fire, silk and fire. Engraved with your name, and I still own the flame.
6 phones, 1 deal, no miss. Even silence comes with risk. My apologies in gold, even colder when I'm kissed. Burn the bridge, now on the shore. Write the script and then sell the war. Not your lover, I'm the clause. Hidden fine print in your flaws.
Oh, like a slug, I watch your eyes. Then I cash out, no surprise. Now you're trading all your peace for the price of being mine. You gave me more than time. I was born with a crown in my crib. Every move I make is executive. Luxury breathes when I exhale. You're in deep, no paper trail. Spine, diamond pride, Chabo syndrome. I don't hide, we don't chase, we acquire. Silk and fire, silk and fire. Engraved, still love. Syndrome, syndrome. Silk and fire. I don't raise my voice, I raise the stakes. Walking silk, but I leave glass in my way. You came with fire, but I brought the cold. Your kingdom's pretty, but mine's carved in gold. Eyes like winter, no blink, no flinch. You call it war, I call it a glitch. Every word I speak
threats a whisper behind my back. Mine is silence and it still cracks. Say my name like a prayer too late. I'm the door you miss, sealed by fate. You wear your heart like blood on silk. I never gave mine, just watched yours spill. What you call power, I call play. I didn't stay, I let you fade. I'm not yours to chase, not yours to hate, not yours to tame. It's already too late. I don't fight, I watch as you hesitate. You were never mine to love, but I was never yours to survive.
Cue slow motion group choreography here. Obviously.
Don't touch the frost, don't trace my past. You only love me when I broke like glass. But now I gleam and now I ghost. This is the part where you lose the most. I'm not